Hi, my name is Gautam Kumawat, and in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to install Kali Linux. You can install Kali Linux on any platform, doesn't matter if you are using Windows, Linux, or any Mac OS. So first of all, download Kali Linux from given link. Go to www.kali.org and download the 64-bit version by clicking here on HTTP. You can click on save as I already downloaded Kali Linux ISO image on my desktop. You can see here. For installing Kali Linux machine on your any operating system, you need these two software, VirtualBox and VMware. These software are used to create a virtual environment where you can install any operating system. So go to this website virtualbox.org, and if you are using Windows, install this one. If you are using macOS, install this one. If you are using Linux, click on here and install it. Right now, I'm not going to show how to install VirtualBox because this video is going to be so lengthy. So do it by your own, and you don't have to do any hard stuff. You have to only click, click, click. That's it. And it will be installed. Another one is VMware. Click on downloads as I am using Fusion. Fusion come for Mac OS. So according to your wish, use you can use VMware or VM Virtual Machine. As I already installed VMware Fusion in my machine, just click on it and then click on this plus sign, or even you can go to file and click on new here. Minimize this. Select create a custom virtual machine and click on continue. Select other Linux 2.6 64-bit and then click on continue. Again create a new virtual disk and continue. Click on customize option and save your machine as Kali Linux Lab. Click on save. Do not click here. First do some configuration. Like as if you are installing any operating system in your machine, you have to install a pen drive that containing any ISO image or any boot files. But for installing our Kali Linux machine, we have to click on here and connect CD and enable this option. Click here and choose our disk image. I already downloaded on my desktop. Select this ISO image, click on open. Click on show. Do some configuration change like as I'm selecting it's enough RAM. You can change processor to 2 core processors. Click on show and I think it's enough. If you want to change the size of hard disk, you can change this to 25 and whatever you want. Click on show, apply and minimize this. Right now you can click here. Click here. I'm going to maximize this. We are going to install graphical installation. So select graphical installation and hit enter. It will ask for selecting your language. Select your language. I am selecting English and click on continue. Select your country. As I am living in India, click on continue. Select the configuration or language of keyboard. It will detecting network hardware and doing IP version 6 configuration. Now it's time to enter the hostname for this machine. Click on Kali and in any domain name you can select out or you can leave it. For the password you can type out 123 or default password of this is TWR tour. Use guided use entire disk. Click on continue. Select this one and click continue. Select all files in one partition and continue and finish the partition and write change to disk. Click on continue. So he's saying, do you want to be write the change to the disk? Click on yes and continue. It's installing the system. Now copying data to our disk. It will take a little bit time, so wait. As I already told you, default username of Kali Linux is rwt root and the password is twr. So I am pausing this video till this process is completed. Now it's installing ZRUB bootloader. Install the GRUB bootloader to the master boot record. Click on Yes. Select this dev SDA and continue. So our installation is in finishing phase. You can see we are successfully installed our Kali Linux machine. Click on continue. Hit enter. Type username as root and password we already remember is 123. Remember the default username of Kali Linux is root and the default password is TWR. Click on sign in. Wow, I successfully installed Kali Linux machine. Thank you for watching this tutorial.